how to use InShot app to create or to make a YouTube thumbnail. Click on photo, select new, and then you click on blank. Next, you go to your background and then you choose a color that will be suitable for you. Okay, I think this one will be suitable. Then we'll click on check. To canvas, click on 16.9, which is the YouTube standard. Then you drag to fill up the space. Okay, on sticker for you to bring the photo that you want to use as the photo for your thumbnail. Click on sticker and then you come to this picture logo here. Click on it, click on cutout here, click on cutout, and then the background will be removed. Look for the photo that I want to use. Let me use this one for example. I click on check for the background to be removed. So voila, the background is removed already. I click on check again, and then I want to add some border lines to it. I want to add some border lines. I can click on the first one here. Look at the border lines to make your photo to look more beautiful. So you can reduce it with this line here. You reduce, let it not be too obvious. I think this is better. Then you click on check again, and then you minimize. Okay, our photo is ready. Then you go to text. Also want to impute our text right now. So click on text. Type in what you want to type. So we have thumbnail in capital letters. Thumbnail. So I want to like change the color of this thumbnail. Click on the color here. I want to change the text background to white. So I'll click on label. You click on label. If you want to change the text background, that's the background that's showing black here is the text background. So you want to change the text background to another color, you click on label and then you change. So I want to change the text background to white. Then I'll click on my text. Now our text has disappeared, so I want to change the text background to black. So this is it, guys. Then I'll drag it to where I want it to be. Just type what I want to type in, and then I'll type tutorial. Click on label and you change the text background to black. Then I come to text and change the text to white. So I bring this one down here. I can just take it down a little and then increase a little. So I want to add like a logo for my audience to know that I'm using CapCut for this editing. Alright, so I'm just going to click on sticker to bring in my photo, my InShot photo. Click on the plus sign and then you search for the logo. This is our InShot logo. Just click on it. So I minimize. Just place it at the top here. I can still add in another logo. Minimize. And then bring it here. So guys, I think it's looking more beautiful. So what you need to do next is to export so that to be saved. So if you don't want to export, you can just screenshot. Click on the image and then you crop. Let it be the same size with the thumbnail, guys. Cut it to the same size with the thumbnail. Then you drag down. Then you save. So this is our perfect thumbnail. So you can use the thumbnail for your upload of the video that you want to make for your thumbnail. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.